What's up, guys? So we are finally in Austin, Texas, and I'm super excited.
We're going to the nudist beach. We're gonna go to the nudist lake.
Really? So our first stop was Denny's restaurant.
Así, pero bien cañón, estaba con su novia. Entonces yo la vi, cuando la vi, ella vio, ya te vi viendo eso, yo vi que me estaba viendo, pero no era mi intención verla.
So I am having some egg whites with some
Entonces yo volteé otra vez,
turkey
ya te
bacon
agarré.
and an English muffin for my second meal of the day. I know it's considered breakfast food, but I love it. And my husband having the same thing, but with an extra side of egg whites and some pancakes. And Roy just drank that over there. His girlfriend's not having anything but a bowl of fruit.
Le digo ya, festival de show, pero no hay.
Out here on the wall.
Just pray I don't drop it.
We're at Hop Dottie, and if you ever come to Austin, Texas, this is the best place to come for a good burger. Like, their burgers are fucking good as hell. So if you ever come, try one. All right?
Spicy, right? Oh my god. Is it?
Hold me close to you, and ain't too far, don't get separated.
Well, that's all, guys, for this vlog. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if so, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share.